Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest Apple leaks, tech rumors, and future devices before anyone else. If that sounds like your thing, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get straight into it. The M5 chip Apple is reportedly pushing the boundaries with a new 3 nanometers or maybe even 2 nanometers process. Translation? This will be the most powerful chip in any iPad ever. Here's what you're looking at: up to a 12-core CPU, up to an 18-core GPU, a jaw-dropping 32-core neural engine. This isn't just a small upgrade from the M4. Whether you're editing 8K videos on the fly, gaming with console-level graphics, or building AI models in real time, the M5 iPad Pro will power through it without breaking a sweat. The display revolution. OLED plus Dynamic Island next up, the display. And wow, this might be the biggest leap yet. Leaks say Apple's going tandem OLED, meaning richer colors, insane contrast, and Promotion 2.0 that could even push past 120 Hz for the smoothest touch experience ever on a tablet. But wait, Dynamic Island is finally coming to the iPad Pro. Notifications, multitasking widgets, background activities all elegantly popping out from the top of your screen. Imagine editing a video while your iPad quietly processes a real-time render in the background, or gaming while keeping your chat open, all within this floating dynamic interface. This could finally unlock the iPad's true multitasking potential. iPadOS 19. AI takes over, and to make all this power usable, Apple's shipping the M5 iPad Pro with iPadOS 19. Think AI-first features like smart multitasking that predicts what you'll open next, universal control plus 4 buttery, smooth control across your Mac, iPhone, and iPad on-device Siri 2.0 that's smarter and faster than ever, context-aware workflows that adjust your workspace automatically based on what you're doing, and with macOS Sequoia sharing some of these features. The iPad and Mac ecosystems are about to work together like never before. Release date and price. So when's it coming? Most leaks say late 2025, probably October or November, right before the M5 MacBook Pros are announced. Price: 11-inch model could start around $1,099 to $1,199.13. Inch model could hit $1,299 to $1,399. And if you want maxed out specs, you might see up to 24 gigabytes of RAM and 4 terabytes of SSD storage. Should you upgrade? So should you upgrade? If you're a power user, creative professional, or someone who needs the absolute best, 100%, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Laptop-level performance, desktop-grade multitasking, and an ultra-premium OLED display. This isn't just an iPad Pro. It's basically an iPad Ultra. But what about you? Are you hyped for the new OLED display? The monster M5 chip? Or is Dynamic Island on iPad finally the feature you've been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear what excites you most. And hey, if you love staying ahead on Apple leaks, rumors, and deep tech dives, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.